is it's all about content creation and then branding and messaging.
What is the state of firearm industry based on your personal experience and observation?
It's interesting. Right now, the industry is in a downturn, and it's only because, right now we have an administration in Washington that is pro Second Amendment, and there's no threats. Nobody feels there's a threat to the Second Amendment, so people are just living their lives, and gun sales are, they are what they are.